I am Melissa Miller, and I am a brand ambassador for Essential Stencil. I love Patriotic. If you did not know that about me, now you do. Okay, we're going to do a mason jar because I want to see it on this piece of wood. So we're going to put it on here. This is a raw piece of live edge wood. Okay, so let's take a look. It's going to wrap right onto this live edge, which I love. We are going to simply just pull this up. This is like a one and done on this piece of wood. So here it is. I just peeled it off. You're going to put it on this wood, and it is going to look so pretty. Let me make sure it's straight. Oh yeah, that looks awesome. That is going to look awesome. Just on a simple piece of wood. It will look like I spent hours painting it, and I did not. This does not have a finish on it at all. And I don't know that I will put anything on this. I might, if I do, it will be maybe some wood honey. But I did not seal the wood with anything. It's just raw live edge walnut wood. And I am going on that live edge over there. It's a little bit rougher. But it looks like my transfer is going to transfer right onto it beautifully. We're going to find out. It's going to look awesome. This will just be probably one that stands on its own. It's so thick. So it will stand on its own. Sometimes I put them on little easels, but usually they're kind of like a leaning sign. And then I have the whole back that I can also create something cool on. This would be really pretty with some resin over it, actually. I might add some resin to it. And then I may add something right up here. I'm not sure. I'm going to look at it. Or actually what I like to do to these pieces is take some ribbon and tie a bow around the top. And it just dresses it up and kind of finishes it. I could also take some raffia, but I think for this I would take some Patriotic red ribbon or something that goes with this design. And then I would just like a wired ribbon, and I'll tie a bow around it. And it's beautiful like this. See that? Until it will stand. It will just be a standing sign. And that is not sticking off, but I realize that it looks like it kind of is to you guys, but it's just wrapped right around on that live edge wood. I think it looks really neat. I'm probably not going to stencil anything. I could stencil something up here, but I really like it just the way it is. And like I said, I'll tie some ribbon. I have some blue ribbon. Let me grab something. But the blue would not look bad there. So let's just see. Like something like that would look kind of cute. And like I said, this is just on this is not got a finish or anything on it. I didn't even really sand it that well. Truthfully, it's pretty rough and rustic. But let's just look. So I feel like I could do that one, or I could do something tight around it even. I might scoot that up a little bit higher. It's kind of cute. I don't know if that's the right thing, but you guys, I'll probably tie a ribbon around it, likely. I like to tie some wide ribbons around them. I'll move that up a little bit just for the sake of showing. Isn't that that cute though? I think it'll be cute with a bow. It's not bad with the little curly cues. I could just wrap some jute ribbon around it. I could also layer, I mean, I've got, like, there's also this one, but I think it's too dull for this, so that's why I grabbed this one. But I think some other ribbon might look just as cute tied around it. I usually take a ribbon and I wrap around it. These are very versatile, and I think that they are just an awesome, it's an awesome bundle. So make sure that you order your bundle. Make sure you grab my code, MRS2019. And it's going to save you at checkout anytime that you're ordering. So you'll want to make sure you're using a code. So have a great rest of your night, you guys. Have a great week, and I will see you next time. Yeah. All right, you guys. I'll see you next time. Bye.